So we are going to see the social exclusion and vulnerability. These are the two things which is giving more explanation about the poverty or what it mean by poverty. According to this concept, poverty must be seen in terms of the poor having to live only a poor surrounding with other poor people. In social exclusion, they are saying like that the poor people, they are living with poor people surrounding, and their friends also with from the poor family. So the poor people, they are living in a particular area in a poor surrounding with a poor group of people like that, and excluded from enjoy social equality of the better of people in the better surrounding. So the poor people, they are lacking, they are not able to enjoy the social equality in the society, and they are not getting a chance to relate with the better people, people in better situation, or they are not getting this life situation to live in a better situation. And social exclusion can both a cause as well as a consequence of poverty in the usual sense. What social science is saying like that this exclusion, it is a cause as well as a consequence of poverty. How it will become a cause? Because the poor people, they are living with the poor people, and they are living in the poor surrounding. So what will happen? They won't get a proper health facilities, they won't get proper education facilities, they are not getting enough job opportunities. Like that, it is becoming a cause for poverty. At the same time, it is a consequence of poverty because of they are poor, so they can't go and mingle with the rich people or the middle class family. First of all, they don't have like that proper dress, and they don't know how to keep themselves clean. Even they are not able to get the drinking water, proper drinking water. Then what about combing of hair and cleaning of the dress, and even taking bath every day? So it is in two ways the social exclusion is presenting in front of us. That is one of thing that is a cause of poverty. Second one as a consequence of poverty or result of poverty. Reason as well as result of the poverty. Which one? This social exclusion is becoming the reason as well as the result of poverty. Then broadly, it is a process through which individual or a group are excluded from facilities, benefits and opportunities that are other betters enjoy. Means what it mean, and when we are making a definition or meaning, we can understand that they are the people, they are it is a process. Which one is a process? So social exclusion is a process through which individuals as well as groups are excluded from facilities. They are not getting proper facilities, they are away from the facilities and benefits of the society and the opportunities that others are enjoying. So they are lagging in what are things? Facilities, benefits and opportunities, they are lagging what we are enjoying. Think about the education facilities or health facilities or the celebrations what we are having, or the benefits what we are getting from government, and the opportunities where we are getting to participate the general celebrations like Holi, Diwali, Pongal, like that. All these things they are ignoring, or we are keeping them away from the society. Then a typical example is a working of the caste system in India, in which poor people belong to certain caste are excluded from the equal opportunities. We are having caste system in India, in that some of the caste, some of the caste, they are means still they are in poor people, and they are excluded from equal opportunities in the society. In olden days, if there was untouchability and other things, that already prohibited. Even though after making our constitution, after making all are equal before law, then also we can see some of the caste group, they are away from the mainstream of the society. They are not getting the equal opportunities in the society. Social exclusion thus may lead to but can cause more damage than having very low income. This social exclusion, keeping the poor people away from the mainstream of the society, that is a particular group of people. For example, in olden days we was saying like that the scheduled caste means outcast should not come and mingle with the mainstream of the society. Like that situation, keeping the people away from the opportunities, enjoyment, that is more danger or giving more damage to them than having very low income. If we are having very low income, we are ready to adjust with that. Today if we are getting very 10 rupees only, we are all the members of the family, we are able to adjust. But getting this humiliation or keeping away from them, from the mainstream of the society, or discriminating, that is more painful or giving more damage to the society. That's why we have seen that when no one is like to be a poor people, and we said like that here in the second paragraph of this page, sorry, first paragraph, obviously no one would like to live in poverty. Because of this social exclusion, we are keeping them away from the mainstream of the society. People, they are not ready to live. That's why many crimes is generating in the society. They are robbery, that big shops, or even with the help in the government officers, they are trying to make some malpractices to get some of the some money. And not only the poor people, even middle class and rich people also, we are trying to do the malpractices to get maximum money. And because we are comparing with the middle class family, they will compare themselves with the upper class family, or the those who are having the high income. So they are thinking like that, we want to grow up to there. Then high class people, they are thinking like that, they are comparing themselves with Ambani or Bill Gates, and they are thinking like that, we want to reach up to there. So these tendencies there, no one is not ready to live with the how much we are earning daily, or if you are having 2 times of food or 3 times of food, and in enough situation like that, job, regular job, as well as the what we can say, food and clothing for their children, and shelter for themselves, as well as the education first facility of their children, then also we are not ready to live in that situation. We want to get the maximum. We want a car at home, all the facilities like washing machine, fridge, and all the instruments, the homely job which is reducing like that situation. And we want to go for fun outside, enjoyment outside. This is the condition. So we can see, related to this social exclusion, the people, those who are excluded, keep away from the society, they are thinking about the different types of crime to become rich. Now we are moving to the next topic, that is the vulnerability. Vulnerability to poverty is a measure which describes a greater possibility of a certain communities, say members of backward caste, or the individual such as widows or a physically handicapped person, of becoming or remaining poor in the coming years. Vulnerability means, in simple words we can say, it is a tendency to being poor this year and coming years, or today and coming days. The people, those who are, or the groups which are having the tendency to live in the same condition, or possibility to live in the remaining in the poor situation, or living in the poor situation, that is vulnerability. Once again, please underline, vulnerability to poverty, it is a measurement. We are keeping a measure as a scale to measure how we are going to measure, which describes a greater possibility. They are having not a simple possibility, the greater possibility to certain communities as well as individuals of becoming or remaining poor in the coming years. We can see two groups, that is individuals as well as groups, and what all things to becoming poor or remaining poor for in the coming years, that is known as vulnerability. So vulnerability determines by the option of available to different communities for finding an alternative living in terms of asset, education, health, job or opportunities, etc. The vulnerability that is deciding the possibility of being poor, that will decide the what are things available in the society, are they able to access that one, access the asset or the education or health or job opportunities. Further, it is analyzed on the basis of greater risk of these groups face at the time of natural disasters, earthquake, tsunami, terrorism, etc. Means how much they will suffer in the time of natural calamities or human made calamities. Which people? The people, those who are the communities as well as individuals having the most possibility to remaining or to become poor in the coming years. So that people, they are going to suffer in the time of natural disasters or human made disasters. Think about the situation of this corona now. Those who are dying, there may be aged in the starting, because they was aged and they was suffering with a different sickness, and that's why they died. But nowadays the government, each and every state government of India, they are not ready to give that much 100% free treatment in government hospitals. So the some of the people, they are not getting the proper treatment. One personal experience, 4 member of family, all of them got COVID positive, and government taken the people, those who are the two children as well as one mother of the house, taken to hospital. Father alone was there in his home for many days with his disease. So instead of taking all the 4 members to hospital, what the government done, one member let him be there at home, and he want to cook his food alone. Even he was suffering with this breathing problem. Like that, some situations arising in the society because government can't afford all people, poor people's health care. So they are keeping like that. Some people, the children, there was in adolescence age, means 15 and 16 like that. So if they are safe, and it won't affect the human power of the society. If father and mother dies also, there is no problem like that. Not only here in India, other countries also we heard like that about America also, Italy, France, like that countries was thinking about the younger generation instead of older one. They send older people, elderly people to die, like that we heard in the newspaper. Same situation now we are facing here in India also, because every day it is coming, the number of the patients, it is 80,000, 70,000, 90,000. So government can't afford the free treatment for everyone. So when it is coming thus like a corona or earthquake, like that situation, how much the poor people or the vulnerable group, they will suffer. Additional analysis is made for their social and economical ability to handle these risks. And what we are doing with the help of this vulnerability, we are analyzing how much they are able to solve the problem, or how they will face the risk, social or economical, their ability to handle in the risky situation like human made and natural disasters. In fact, vulnerability describes a greater probability of being more adversely affected than other people when hard times come for everybody, whether a flood or an earthquake or a simply fall in the availability of jobs. So what we are thinking in the vulnerability, we are understanding that many people, those who are living in the poor situation or in the middle class, they will get a negative impact of the social and the human made or natural disasters. Even if they are not getting one day, means every week they was getting 2 days job, and this week if they are not getting that second day job, their life will become a crucial one, or they are going to suffer that much. So the vulnerability and social exclusion, we can understand that with the help of these indicators we will understand poverty in a detailed way, or the nature of the poverty we can understand. So the being poor or becoming poor, that is not happening within one day. It is a long process, and in that many things are included. So some of the rich family they become poor. Why? Because maybe lack of job opportunities, or lack of health facilities, lack of government policies, like that many reasons are there. Or they never thought about the future without thinking, or without thinking about sustainable development, they use the resources what they had. Okay, we will continue in next video.